I can't concentrate.
Focus.
What the? I saw you ran away.
Now this is the one I want you to get out.
Oh, see,
that
I
one.
couldn't figure out what.
Okay, we didn't know what you wanted us to see. We
Because
couldn't
that-
see it with all the
If you
oil.
get that out, you can pull that whole unit up. Out of it.
You mean the sockets on the
Won't
runaway
fit in
train?
there?
No, it needs a thinner wall, or maybe there's like a
Oh.
special coppage way.
I thought that was the Allen
Oh,
head or
yeah.
torque
Let me
thrust.
find you a smaller one.
I thought it was a torque head.
What size is it? It's a 3/8. Remember that 3/8?
Oh, it's a 12 point.
Oh, I thought it was like a torque head.
Let me go ahead and get this out anyways. Hey, I don't remember this spring in my other ones.
Utilize
Remember that spring?
I don't utilize someone's
I
shoulder.
totally don't remember that spring. Oh my gosh. I don't think
No
I had that
tripod
in
you
another
need.
one.
I
I don't remember that.
I
I
had-
would have remembered that.
had coffee this morning, so I don't know if I'm probably a little jittery.
Are you jittery in the jigger bag?
I didn't get to bed till midnight.
We both look at him, we're like, what?
Midnight? Is that late for you?
Okay.
Gotta be late for Andrew.
I was up till like 4 o'clock.
I gotta sit down.
Yeah, same here. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
These are so tight.
Are they tight, Sarah? How tight are they?
Super tight.
Are they
Forget I'm
Super
recording.
duper tight.
They're super duper tight. Super duper. See, look at it. She got like bloody knuckles, man. She's hardcore. And we're all a bunch of pussies here. Wow.
And I have Chinese food over my white shirt.
Yeah,
and
she's
then I
wearing a white
decided
shirt and she got transition fluid on it and she got all kinds of other yummy
to- Go ahead and
stuff.
break that.
Yeah, she's at the end of her.
Well, my hands.
Oh
are
my gosh,
easy
you even
too,
like had
so
a
it's
little.
like- I already broke the other one. Just that one.
Yeah.
Careful.
You get an extension on there? No, get this here.
I don't remember that funny spring
need
in
a-
my other one.
Yeah, here you are, Sarah. There you are. Yeah, good job. Now you should be able to pull that whole
Pull the, okay. Too bad I didn't bring the webcam today. That way I could just set it somewhere. But I was so in a rush that I just like. Plus, I think the quality on the webcam's a little better. Oopsie.
I didn't know if you want for recording, if you want to show like
Oh,
close up.
so a close up. Oh, well,
That's
this
fine.
one. That's weird. It's blue, and they're like a different material than the other ones. Oh, weird. Okay, well. Right there. You get anything else? Ow.
This doesn't look messy.
Oh no, not at all. Come join the fun.
Yeah.
I'll make you his coffee. It'll smell like a burnt tranny. It looks like it
Remember
got
that-
scored,
Now
Mr.
remember
C.
that one-way roller clutch. Just leave it alone.
Yeah, I know. I'm not going to take it apart this time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I did that, Mr. C. I put
now
it back
what,
together,
what was
but
burnt up?
everything. I don't know. It was,
Let's take these clutch packs over here and see what actually burnt
Here's some
up.
clutches too.
Mr. C. This is really scored. Look at this.
I didn't see what you're talking about.
See,
On the
this is
sides,
just,
she says it's scored right here on the sides.
Yeah.
this was just kind of sitting there.
Okay.
So basically, it looks like maybe a moron put this.
Now you should be able to grab that whole shaft and pull it straight up out of there. Yeah, easy. Yeah, there you are.
Another long shaft.
Yeah.
Where can I put it? Somebody move the one-way roller clutch. I don't.
Place it right here, Tom.
I can't believe the band is actually showing metal. Ugh.
Wow.
Here, there's a close-up for you. The abyss.
I'm surprised that thing was still shooting.
Yeah, it got me here, remember?
Yeah.
Got me to
How
school.
close you want? I'll go a little more.
No, that's good. I don't want to get
Now, is that
greasy.
video there?
Yeah. I gotta make more
how
YouTube
did we
videos,
feel
Mr.
about
Scott.
this?
What's the pixel on here?
I have no idea. I just know it works well. Did you see all my yoga videos on my channel?
Yeah. Was that?
That was what I used. Oh, I mean, the webcam would have been better, but I left, with my mom, and I didn't get to go back and get it.
I'm scooting more in, but I'm making sure I don't hit or drop it.
You should probably need more nylon gear here too.
I don't know if this one is on this road. Remember last time we had springs on the product? I thought well, I asked him if it's under load. If it is, then I'm going to take it in and do it inside.
Okay. That way we're going to get things started right away.
You want me to stop for a little bit?
Is there any part?
Yeah, and then when we start.